Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the H57L smartwatch. Okay, and this time we are going to check one of its main features. If you're not familiar with the F57L, it is a health smartwatch loaded with several health functions. Okay, so what are these functions? So we have a heart rate monitoring, as you can see here. We also have sleep monitoring, blood pressure, blood oxygen monitoring, body temperature. We also have a blood glucose monitoring, okay, and other features here. So it is a health smartwatch with a simple design and very affordable. So we are going to check, okay, some of its health features, particularly the heart rate and blood pressure, as well as the blood oxygen, and compare it with our Omron medical grade device here. Okay, so we are going to check on that, as well as we are also going to compare it with our Apple Watch here, the heart rate and the blood oxygen, as well as the ECG. Okay, if we have an ECG, do we have an ECG here? We'll check it out. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Here for our smartwatch. Okay, so this one it's not working, the rotary, so it doesn't support rotary function. So we'll just scroll it here. Okay, so let's tap on the heart rate and check. Okay, so it's now checking. So the heart rate monitoring here is a real-time heart rate monitoring, okay, with 24/7 HR support. Okay, so we have 81 here. So it will just continue monitoring your heart rate, similar to the Apple Watch heart rate monitoring. Okay, so it ranges from around 80 to 77. Okay, so let's check here for the blood pressure. Tap the button below to measure blood pressure. So let's tap on it. Again, our range for the heart rate is 77, okay, to 80 something. Okay, stay still and tighten the watch. So let's check the blood pressure here. Just a few moments we'll have the result. Okay, 128/85. Okay, so we have here our Omron medical grade device. So we are ready, so let's check. Let's start our blood pressure here and the heart rate. Okay, so let's see if this thing is attached properly. Seems like everything is okay, so let's see. In just a few seconds we'll have the result. Again, this is the Omron medical grade blood pressure and heart rate monitoring device. Okay, so let's wait. Later on we'll have a simultaneous monitoring, especially for the Apple Watch. Again, this is for the F57L smartwatch. So 119/84. Okay, so let's check for the blood pressure. Let's have a simultaneous monitoring. Again, it's not that far, the result is not that far. Okay, 84/85 with the systolic just +10. Okay, I think it's a good result here. Let's see. So this is simultaneous monitoring of our blood pressure. Okay, I guess they will show, okay, hopefully they will show a closer results. So 124/82, And here on our Omron medical grade device, let's see. Okay, so the diastolic is pretty close, but the diastolic is much higher, I think more than 10 points here. We have 76 for the heart rate. How about here for the heart rate? Let's see. Okay, it's still in the range of 76 to 80, I think. Remember, our F57L show the 77 to 80 range. Okay, so as you can see here, 78, 79. I think that's okay for the heart rate. It's much closer. Okay. Okay, with our Apple Watch here, so let's see. We expect that there will be some changes. Okay, there will be a difference, but we do hope that it's not that far. Okay, let's see with the heart rate here. Let's make it clear. Okay, current. Okay, that's it. So let's see. Again, this is for our Apple Watch. They pretty have a good result or accurate. Okay, checking of our heart rate. So 77, 79 here, 78. Okay, so the same. As you can see here, it's almost similar in result here. I guess we have the F57L. They have a good heart rate sensor. Okay, just minor issue with the blood pressure. So I guess you can still rely on the blood pressure with today's technology. But so far, all of the results should be taken as a reference only, not as a basis of diagnosis. But so far, as you can see here, the heart rate, it's pretty similar. I guess they have the same sensor here. Okay, results. Okay, not the hardware, but we have a pretty good sensor, I mean. Okay, so 84. We'll see in just a few seconds with the F57L. Oops. Okay, let's see again. It's now climbing. So as you can see here, now in almost the same beats per minute. Okay, we have a resting heart rate. Okay, so let's go for the blood oxygen. Okay, let's go for the blood oxygen. We have a blood oxygen here. Okay, so we have 96 here. So far for the blood, for the heart rate, the results are good. Okay, we have a pretty similar results with Apple Watch and the F57L. Okay, the same with the blood oxygen monitoring here. Okay, I don't know if we do have an ECG here. Oh, we don't have an ECG. My mistake. I thought we do have an ECG function, but we don't have an ECG here. But we do have a body temperature. We just don't have a tool to compare it with a medical grade device. Maybe in the next few months we'll have one. Okay, so that's it for the health monitoring of our F57L smartwatch. Okay, so far the results for the blood pressure, for the heart rate is pretty accurate, I think. Okay, we still don't have a tool for the blood glucose here, but some says it is very far from the actual results. Here in our support app, okay, so we have here our H band. You can see the results here. Okay, if you synchronize your device with the support app, you will see the results here. Okay, but the problem is we don't have the blood sugar, as you can see here. We only have the pedometer, sleep monitoring, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and body temperature. But we don't have the module for the blood sugar monitoring. Okay, they market this as a blood sugar monitoring device, but they don't have a module here. I wonder why did not include it in here. Okay, even if you tap here, you cannot add a module for the blood sugar monitoring. Okay, so this is the H band support app. We do hope that we will add it soon. Okay, when they update the support app. Okay, but so far we do have a good results for the heart rate, just an average, just an okay result for the blood pressure, and we also have a good result for the blood oxygen. Maybe next time we are going to check on the blood sugar as well as the body temperature monitoring when we have that tool. Okay, so that's it for the F57L smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, this health smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.